Today we're going to have a lesson on problem solving. Now that we've learned lots of strategies, we're going to have some word problems. So I have here a strategy called cubes. By the way, this is lesson 1.6. This problem came out of your math book. Okay, so I'm going to call this a strategy, and I'll label it that. And the problem here says, a restaurant made more than $80,000 but less than $90,000 last month. So looking at our strategy, it says circle key numbers. So I'm going to circle some important numbers that I've read so far, and they are 80,000 and 90,000. Okay. It says there is a 6 in the ones place, a 3 in the thousands place, a 7 in the hundreds place, and a 1 in the tens place. How much money did the restaurant make last month? The next thing that it says in our strategy called cubes is to underline the question. What am I being asked to do? Okay, the question is simply, how much money did the restaurant make last month? And I underlined it. Okay, I'm going to also do the next step, and it says to box the keywords. I'm not going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. I'm going to put numbers in their place value. And this is important. Less than. Okay. And then it says for the E, value would eliminate. What step should I take? This part is important here. So I know that that restaurant made more than $80,000, but less than $90,000. So the strategy I'm going to have is to use a place value chart. I'm going to start out by making a very simple place value chart. 80,000 has 5 digits, okay? And so does 90,000. So I need to have 5 places in my place value chart. It goes up to the 10,000s place. Okay, a very simple one. I just made dashes. This is the ones place. Got the tens place. The hundreds place. I would put a comma because that was the ones period. Then we have the thousands place. And the largest number is going to be in the 10,000s place. So this is that section, what steps should I take? Okay, so I'm going to now name my steps. Well, first I'm going to make a place value chart. Okay, then I am going to plug in the numbers from the story into that place value chart. So I called it a story or a word problem. Either one works. And then here's the fun part. I take the numbers I circled. There's a 6 in the ones place, a 3 in the thousands place. There's a 7 in the hundreds place. And a 1 in the tens place. And of course, we're missing a number, or else we wouldn't be problem solving. Okay, so here's where this information comes in handy. Wait till the projector stops being blurry. There it is. Okay. So the restaurant made more than $80,000. Our number is going to be greater than 80,000, but less than 90,000. So the number is not going to be any bigger than 90,000. It's not going to go into the 9. Therefore, we know that our number is greater than 80,000, less than 90,000, so you need an 8 in the 10,000s place. Okay, and finally, we are where we solved. And my answer does make sense. I'm going to write here how I checked my work. I determined what the missing number was. Based on the story. Therefore, the point I made here about the restaurant making more than 80,000 but less than 90,000 let me know that I could not put a 9 in the 10,000s place, or the number was going to be too large to make sense. So there, I checked my work. You will probably find this cubes chart on your PowerSchool page, or why not? You can Google it and you will find a cubes chart that will help you to solve the problems when we have some problem solving lessons.